What's going on, guys? Just wanted to show you guys a website called WSBDaily.com. And what this website does is it scans the WSB Reddit form and it puts it into categories that tells you the ranks of the stocks and how many times people are commenting about those stocks. So you can see here the number one stock is CLNE, and there's about 764 users that commented about CLNE. Now you can see the volume over here, you can see the 24 hours, how stuff's moving. If you also go down on this website, it'll tell you the top tickers that are most popular, and it does a lot of different things. Top stocks, the penny stocks, and as you can see, DPLS, they're 40% up, and it kind of just scans the WSB Reddit form for you. Tells you what stocks are hot, what stocks might move, and just gives you a little insider to the market. And I thought it would be valuable, and we'll share it with you guys. So in the description, I will throw the link, and use as you please. Go get that money.